Hello class. Today is our first session of class 10th of chemistry. Before proceeding further, we have already learnt about physical and chemical changes of matter in our previous classes. In physical changes, we know that there will be no new formation of any substance, and in chemical reaction, whenever any chemical change occurs, then there will be a chemical reaction that will taken place. So I am going to tell you few situations from our daily life in which chemical reactions will take place. First, when we kept milk at room temperature during summers, then what will happen? It will be spoiled after some time if it will be not kept in refrigerator. An iron tawa, pan or nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere. If we left any iron object exposed to humid atmosphere, then what will happen? Rusting will take place. And if we kept our food just at room temperature during summers without keeping it in refrigerator, then again which type of reaction will take place? Chemical reaction. When we respire, when we digest food, that will also come under which category? Chemical reactions. So in this chapter, we are going to study more about chemical reactions, chemical changes which involve chemical reactions and their equations. So the name of the chapter is, as you can look into your book, NCERT book, page number 2, the chemical reactions and equations. We are going to understand it more clearly with the help of few activities. So in activity 1.1, we will take a magnesium ribbon of about 2 cm long and clean it with the help of sandpaper. Then we will hold the magnesium ribbon, as you can see in the figure 1.1, with the help of tongs. Okay, then we will burn our spirit lamp or burner, and then we will move our hand or tong near the burner, and then what will happen? Magnesium ribbon starts burning and we will collect the ash formed in the watch glass, as you can see in the figure 1.1. So what do you observe from this reaction? What do you observe from this reaction? Yes, look at carefully with the help of your book. Very nice. So what we will observe that there will occur a chemical reaction and a heat is produced. Any reaction in which heat is produced, that reaction is known as exothermic reaction. What is the name of that type of reaction? The name of that reaction is exothermic reaction. In this type of reaction, heat is evolved. When magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen, Mg plus O2 reacts to form MgO, that is magnesium oxide. So in this plus heat and it burns with the appearance, a white colored light will also appear when it burns. Then we can say that heat and light is produced, and whenever heat is produced, it is known as endothermic reaction. Hope you will understand the meaning of chemical reaction and our first chemical equation with the help of this activity. When we will come back, we will do this activity in our science lab. Thank you.